S&P 500 ETF. Today we pulled back over $2.80. Price is trading below the 200 moving average on the hourly chart. We want to be aware of that. Nasdaq pulled back over $4. This one's also trading below the 200 on the hourly chart. And we do have a single symmetry resistance on the way back up. You know it's going to be met with resistance against that 200 moving average in addition to a symmetry resistance. Now I haven't done all the calculations with this, but you just have to recognize that right now we are trading below at 200. Diamonds, we pulled back over $1.44. This one's a little bit stronger. It's already trading below the 200 on the hourly chart. Russell 2000 down $1.27. And transports only pulled back 42 cents. Let's take a quick look at some symbols we've been talking about the last couple of days. So let's first go to CL. CL's performing just fine. Continue to hold on to this trade going long. You gotta have the patience to have it reach its extensions. We also talked about Etsy to the downside, and it's starting to perform to the downside. We've been looking to see if we can get to our 113 extension. On the way there, we may have to pull back to that 8 moving average, use it as resistance, and continue our way to the downside. Leonard Group, pull back $1 and some change. This one's holding against the 8 moving average. Nothing to do with this trade. If you're in this trade, continue to hold on to its profit extensions. Eli Lilly, I still think that this is a great trade to involve with to the long side. You can see we are still holding, even with today's pullback. Is still staying above the 200 moving average on the hourly chart. It was able to recover. And right now, if you're still not in the trade, you can be patient and wait for that trigger to go long, which is when this 8 moving average crosses against that 34. And what's great about these studies is that I think this FibQueen study is actually free. So what you can do, you can go into your studies and you say, I want to edit my studies, and just type in FibQueen. I'm pretty sure you should be able to get this. I could be wrong. Maybe I downloaded it and I just uploaded it. But you can look for it. I think it's free. MasterCard, this one pulled back just $1 and some change, but is able to recover against that 8 moving average, so that's fine. Target, even with a pullback today, it was able to recover against that 8 moving average as well. So let's study Facebook. This is the reason why maybe a lot of people jumped into Facebook right here. I did not like the price action here. You can see it was getting below my symmetry support. Even though it was able to recover, I did not bite, right? And then it started to show some signs of hope, maybe printing in a higher low. But now you're sitting over here today. When price starts to pierce below your symmetry support, that should give you a big warning sign and tells you that, hey, there's more weakness and strength coming into this chart, so I should avoid it. I should find a better chart where it's holding not just on the daily, but also on the hourly chart where the 200 moving average is involved. Let's take a quick look. Maybe I have a great example for you. Yeah, the example that I gave out is probably just Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly is holding against the 200 moving average on the daily as well as the hourly currently, right? And it's not crashing below that symmetry support, which shows me that there are some signs of strength coming into this chart. U.S. headlines, U.S. jobless claims fall in mid-September, but the economy is still suffering under the weight of layoffs. Stocks tumble, but it's not much of a tumble, right? We got pretty much flat action over in Germany, Euro 50. Japan also has a small little pullback. We got some crude oil, which is currently trading above 40. And looking at this chart, you can see we just got up above the 200 moving average on the daily chart, which is a healthy sign for oil. Also with gold, just got up above 1950. We'll see if we can recover all these moving averages. Silver got up above 27. And we'll see if we can get up above the moving averages as well. These are higher lows, and it's just doing this sideways consolidation, compressing energy, and it can go up or down either way, right? The longer that it stays in the sideways pattern, it's almost like it's energy building up to explode to the upside or the downside. fear and greed index is at 55. Crypto's 380 for Ethereum. And thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Any other symbols you'd like me to review, be happy to review it for you. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.